Alright guys, today when I do a unboxing and review on my M Craftsman iPhone 16 Pro case, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, and here's the case right here. Very nice. Alright, so let's actually put it on the phone. Damn, there it is. Fit in there perfectly. Love that you can see the color of your phone here. And as you can see, it's also got like a protection around the camera right here. Very nice. So you can see it's got the little holes for the microphone speaker area. And then it's got an actual spot right here for the new camera button. And actually the buttons are very responsive in the case, as you can see. So well as this one right here. And what I do like, it doesn't feel like super slippery. Like I could just hold it on here. I do like that it's not super bulky either, as some of the other cases may be. And then what I do like is it does have the MagSafe on there. So let's go ahead and just try that out. It's pretty good. Let's see. Yep, strong on there. So very nice, very cool. I guess a lot of my accessories still use this. So when I first got the phone, I did have a case that didn't have the MagSafe option. So I do like that it has that. So like I said, overall, nice quality case for your iPhone. If you guys are looking for a new case, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.